Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning from the week of May 6th through the 12th, which is the week of Mother's Day, and I'm using this gorgeous kit by Regina Laughs. So this is the half sheet that comes with the kit, which has icons, half boxes, and quarter boxes on it. This page has the full boxes, and I got this kit in matte, and her printing is exceptional. I love how clear and crisp her printing is. The images are absolutely gorgeous. I think this is my favorite full box in the kit, but that one's a very close second. Actually, I love it all. It's just so beautiful. And so we have the 8 full boxes there. On this page, we've got our functional sheet, which has got our half boxes, some icons at the bottom, page flags, checklists, the weekend banner, scallop quarter boxes, and some squared off quarter boxes. On this page, we've got our bottom washi and cut washi, and I love that her bottom washi has 2 separate pieces. So we have the larger piece and then along with the scallops. And then on this page, we've got some deco, habit trackers, your sidebar, your sidebar scripts, weekly tracker, and full box checklist, along with some headers, which are some are printed, and then we've got our to-do and today headers, and then some heart icons at the bottom here. I love the layout of Regina Laughs kits. I think they are so perfect for my planning style. She gives me everything that I am really looking for from a kit, and so I'm really excited to get started planning with this. So let's go ahead and take our bottom washi. I'm going to take some white out and get rid of these lines at the bottom of the page and go ahead and put this down. Starting by placing down the bottom washi, and how cute is this little fence design? I absolutely love it. And then the floral design on the scalloped piece really complements it so well. So I'm loving how this bottom washi came together. I decided to add gold foil to my spread for this week, and I'm using these gold foil date dots from Rose Color Daze. The date covers are from Tasseled Planner because this kit did not include date covers, and I thought these would be perfect. This shade of pink matches the kit so well. To cover up the page flags, I'm using these drizzled dot page flags from Clever Gal Crafts, and of course they have gold foil on them, and I used the light cream color, which I thought was perfect for this kit. Now I'm just putting down my date covers, and I realized after I started putting them down that it would probably be better if I whited out the date covers first, which I would recommend because I did lift those up, go back and use some white out to get rid of the dates underneath there so it wouldn't show through. And I also used some white out in the sidebar, and I'm putting down the full box with the doily on it because I wanted to add a overlay with a script for my sidebar, and it just says dream big, and this was from Artbox Stickers, and I love her handwriting. It's so beautiful, and I thought it went perfectly with this kit. And so underneath there, I'm using some of the printed washi strips from the kit, adding a half box with a little 3-heart checklist, and this is where I'm going to mark my PR post for the week, and that PR post script is from Artbox Stickers as well. Underneath that half box, I'm putting down a header from Tasseled Planner, and this is just a cute little bow header. And then I'm going to add a section where I'm going to mark my dinners for the week. So I'm using the Monday through Sunday tracker along with the meals scalloped little header from the kit. Underneath there, I'm adding another one of the floral headers, and then adding in the habit tracker, which I've used it to mark my workouts for the week, which basically marked how much I did not work out for this week. I'm going to try to do better next week. And then I'm finishing off the sidebar with the rest of the bottom washi. Now that I've got my sidebar done, I'm going to move on to my day-by-day planning. Starting at the top of Monday, I'm putting down one of the wood grain headers from the kit and adding a little laptop icon. And I was going back to work after being off for a couple of days for the Go Wild Planner Conference, so I definitely needed to catch up on some emails. Underneath there, I'm going to put down a clear header, and this is actually a header overlay, but just decided to layer it over the white paper, and that's an overlay that was a collab between myself and Artbox Stickers. It is still so surreal to use those stickers knowing that I drew them. Then I'm putting down one of the full boxes, and underneath there adding a scalloped quarter box along with a little money sack icon from Tasseled Planner, and just marking that I wanted to review my weekly budget. Underneath there, I'm putting down a half box along with a cute little desk icon from Chic Blossom Prints. I was going to help out decorating one of my coworkers' desks for her birthday after work that day, so I wanted to mark that. Then I am putting down a little page flag icon, adding floral deco from the kit, and adding a pay bills script, and that's from Nicole Hutch Designs. And typically I do my bill paying over the weekend, but because the past weekend was go wild and it had been so busy, I wanted to take care of that Monday evening. At the bottom of the page, I'm just marking that I relaxed and watched Golden Girls that evening, which is one of my favorite shows. On Tuesday, I'm starting by placing the full box at the bottom of that column. Then moving up to the top, I'm putting down a quarter box and adding a $2 Make Me Holla script from Letters to Apollo to mark that it was $2 Tuesday. And Tasseled Planner was having a really cute workout themed $2 Tuesday release that day, so I wanted to mark that down to remind myself that I had some shopping to do. And Tasseled Planner, Letters to Apollo, and Artbox Stickers, I'm on the PR team for all of those, so you'll find a discount code for those shops in the description box to save yourself some money on those stickers. Underneath there, I'm putting down a quarter box and a little birthday cupcake from Rose Colored Daze, and the happy birthday script is from Letters to Apollo to mark that it was my coworker's birthday that day. Always awesome because it means we get cake at work. Underneath there, I'm putting down one of the wood grain scripts from the kit along with one of those Artbox Stickers overlays. Then I put down a half box. I needed to call the post office because I moved like over a month ago at this point, and I have a forward on my mail, but the post office messed up on one of my sticker kits and it got delivered to my old address. So I had to open a case. I really want them to get that kit to me because it's the kit I want to use for Memorial Day week, and I really, really want that kit. So they are messing with my planning. Anyways, underneath there, I marked that I wanted to place a PR order, and then I added a quarter box and added an edit plan with me script underneath there. Moving on to Wednesday, I put the full box down at the top of the page, and then I'm using a washi strip. I almost said quarter box, but it's a washi strip, and it's that wood grain. I really loved the wood grain print in this kit. I thought it complemented all of the florals so well. And I put down a little Instagram icon from Artbox Stickers to mark my midweek post. Underneath there, I put down a page flag and a laptop icon from Artbox Stickers to mark some things I needed to take care of for work. Then I put down another one of those bow headers from Tasseled Planner and a quarter box with a little grocery shopping cart to mark that I need to go to Whole Foods. And then underneath there, I recently hired a chef to do some meal prep for myself and my husband, and so I needed to give him kind of our dietary needs and what we were looking for and what we could and could not eat. And so I'm really excited about that because I'm trying to do a little bit better with some healthier eating, and I definitely thought that would help me because my life right now is so busy. It's hard to have time to cook healthy meals. So underneath there, I put down a little planner to mark that my Plan With Me is going live. I was trying to get caught up on my videos, and I had done some editing the day before and needed to get a video up that Wednesday. And then at the bottom, I finished off with that little yoga cap from GP Sticker Studios to mark a workout that actually didn't happen. I planned for it though. I'm scattering the rest of my full boxes for the rest of the week. The one on Thursday ended up towards the center of the page. The one on Friday is up at the top of the page. I'm just using some white out there so the lines won't show through that full box. On Saturday, I put that box at the bottom of the page, and I love that cute little typewriter. And then on Sunday, I'm putting the full box more towards the top of the page, and now I'm just adding some of those bow headers on top of those full boxes. On Thursday, I put down another one of those wood grain headers and layered the Artbox Stickers overlay on top of that. Then I added a little shopping bag from the kit. I needed to go to Walmart before work to pick up some laundry detergent. And then I'm placing down a half box from the kit and adding one of the scalloped headers that says work. And then I'm layering a little bow pin from GP Sticker Studio and just marking down some things I needed to focus on for work for that day. Underneath the half box, I'm putting down a quarter box. I am not a hairstylist, but I do install crochet braids, and so I was going over to one of my coworkers' house after work to install some crochet braids in her hair. And then underneath there, I'm using a page flag and some deco from the kit. I needed to pack up my hair supplies because I was going to be doing my mother-in-law's hair actually the next day. Putting down another header on Sunday, and just as a base for my weekend banner, I also added one of the flowers from the deco from the kit underneath there, and then layered the weekend banner on top of that. On Friday, I'm putting down one of the cut washi from the kit and layered that heart flourish overlay on top of it. Then put down a half box and layered a laptop sticker from Artbox Stickers to mark some things I needed to do for work. Underneath there, I put down one of those circle scalloped circles from Regina Laughs to mark going to lunch with my coworkers. The cutlery icon is from Rose Colored Daze. Then I put down another one of those bow headers, and then a scalloped quarter box. My Erin Condren planner for 2020 arrived, and I wanted to share that on Instagram. And then I'm using a half box to mark going over to help my mom take down her crochet braids. This is where I decided to swap out that bow icon on Thursday and added the same one on Friday as well, and that is from Niki +3. Her bow icons are so stinking cute. Love that. And I had a great time hanging out with my mom that evening. And then on Saturday, I'm putting down one of those bow headers from Tasseled Planner, and then a little bow mug from Artbox Stickers to mark that it was a lazy Saturday morning. Then I put down a quarter box and layered a film clapper from Tasseled Planner along with a film Plan With Me script from Letters to Apollo. I wanted to get caught up on my go out spread and then also finish filming this spread so that I could get them uploaded that Sunday. Underneath there, I'm using a half box from the kit along with a little TV icon. I wanted to catch up on some of my favorite shows, Superstore and Blackish. And then I put down this little planner cart from GP Sticker Studio. My desk is such a mess and is such in need of cleaning and organizing. And so that was what I needed to do on Saturday. Then on Sunday, it was Mother's Day. So I put down the hat deco from the kit and layered the Happy Mother's Day script from Artbox Stickers on top of that. Then I put down another one of those film clappers and added a Plan With Me live script. Needed to catch up on watching some Plan With Me's too, because the last couple weeks have been pretty busy for me and it had interrupted my Plan With Me watching time. Then I put down a little sock icon from the kit and a laundry script from Letters to Apollo, and finished off Sunday with a planning flat lay from Taylor and Tucker along with a planning sesh script from Artbox Stickers. Now I'm going in with some of the little tiny icons from Tasseled Planner and just adding a little extra special foil and sparkle, and adding little bows and hearts and things to finish off the spread. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Here's a sneak peek at the spread for next week. I'll be planning from the week of May 13th through the 19th and using this gorgeous kit from GP Sticker Studio, which is called Brunch Date. And so be sure to come back on Sunday the 19th, which is when this Plan With Me will go live. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye.